Great 2-bedroom, 1-bath home. Spacious living room with pretty hardwood floors, ceiling fan and a gas log fireplace that affords a beautiful hearth. The eat-in kitchen has a peninsula for great workspace. Both bedrooms have hardwood flooring and a ceiling fan. The spacious laundry is so useful. Located on a large lot with gazebo and a storage building, plus a deck that has built-in seating. HVAC was updated in 2019 and the metal roof is approximately 10 years old. Attached, main level 1 car garage. Unfinished basement. Convenient to Highway 77.